फ्रेंड्स, वर्षा's versatile चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है. In this video, I'm going to prepare Seeralam, Khaman of South, which is prepared using lentils. चलिए दोस्तों, देखते हैं Seeralam. Let's get started. Now let us gather the ingredients to prepare Seeralam, the Khaman of South. Moong dal 1 cup, chana dal 1 cup, urad dal 1 tablespoon, red chilies 2 numbers, green chilies 2 numbers, ginger 1 tablespoon, hing 1/4 teaspoon, pink salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, jeera 1 teaspoon, desiccated coconut 2 tablespoon, cooking oil 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 teaspoon. Ingredients for tadka tempering: mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, hing 1/4 teaspoon, green chilies split 3 to 4 numbers, curry leaves 1 tablespoon. Add 1 cup moong dal, 1 cup chana dal and 1 tablespoon urad dal in a bowl. Soak these ingredients in water for 3 to 4 hours. Wash the soaked dals in the water 4 or 5 times to remove all the impurities. Drain the water and pour the soaked dal in the mixer jar. Add 2 red chilies, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger cubes, 1 teaspoon pink salt along with the dal. Add hing asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon with these ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut with the dal mixture. Grind them into a coarse batter. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar in the batter. Give it a good mix and combine well. Grease the cake tin with some oil. Transfer the batter into the greased tray. Tap the tray to remove air bubbles. In a pan, add a glass of water. Then place the batter tray inside the pan, cover with the lid and start steaming it. Steam the dal batter for 30 minutes. Remove the lid and check whether it is steamed properly. In a pan, pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and let it splutter. Add 4 to 5 slit green chilies, 1 tablespoon of curry leaves and saute. Cut the steamed cake dhokla into small cubes. Lightly toss the steamed cubes with aromatic tempering tadka to create a savory snack that is soft inside and slightly crispy outside. Finally, garnish with roasted sesame seeds 1 teaspoon and desiccated coconut 1 tablespoon as a topping on top of the dhokla. Enjoy this recipe Seeralam either by having it with choice of your chutney or just plain. If you find this video useful, please give a big like, comment below, share with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. दोस्तों, आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. I shall meet you with another recipe in my next video. Until then, happy cooking!